Hi, this is Tiffany Torgan and welcome to my newest listing in the Renaissance in University City. Welcome to a modern luxury and timeless charm in this rare in-unit townhome nestled in University City's esteemed Avanti at Renaissance community. The 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom residence features the largest floor plan available in Avanti, offering a perfect blend of space and sophistication for those who appreciate the best in living. As you step inside, be amazed by the soaring ceilings and expansive windows that fill the home with natural light, creating an inviting and contemporary ambiance. The remodeled kitchen is a culinary haven, equipped with GE profiled matte black appliances, an island gas cooktop, and custom dining nook perfect for relaxed breakfasts and intimate dinners alike. The generous size primary suite is a retreat of indulgence, offering a spa-like custom bathroom with spacious shower, towel warmer rack, and designer lighting, creating a peaceful sanctuary to unwind. Enjoy your favorite music with a pre-wired audio system and ceiling speakers, enhancing your everyday living experience. Completely remodeled in 2013, the home features luxury ceramic tile flooring and premium weave carpet throughout, with upstairs hallways lined with energy-efficient windows by Renewal by Andersen. The garage combines practicality and style, featuring an extra storage area with 2 Eurocave wine fridges and insulated garage doors with new lifts. This home offers the best of walkability with easy access to Casa Bella grounds, Westfield UTC Mall, trolley access, and premier dining, minutes away from Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, UCSD, freeway access, and La Jolla's stunning beaches. For more information on this home, check out 7160calabria.com or call Tiffany at 858-504-8433.